What is up, guys? As you know, I have, this is gonna be a slime video. You'll probably, if you haven't seen the, yes, I lost it, but I pretty much lost it, but it was actually on my desk the whole entire time. I just found it this morning. My hands are all, and you're probably asking me what, you're probably thinking if you haven't seen that video, why is it so dirty? Well, I dropped it twice in grass and dirt. Slime can be disgusting sometimes. Like, this is after I took it out of the bag. And I'm just going to put it right here because it's dirty and I don't want the juice going all over my desk. It was very... I made this at camp with Swizzle. Like, look at it. Look. Well, it was good slime, and now it's bad. It used to be able to stretch. Like, for it to stay good, you have to, like, play with it. And I made it yesterday, and I'm playing. It's like, it goes, and then it rips. It stretches a little bit, and then it just comes off. I can't even touch anything because of it. I can't even touch anything. That's why I'm using my dirty plate. Oh, and my... So the juice. Like, why is my arm getting all, like, is this wet? Yep, it's wet. Not taking my shirt. Like, my hand's dry and it's wet. Like, I'm about, hang on. Tissues. It's dry now. Okay, it's sticky. Fine, I'm just gonna call this slime Nature Slime. My slime is in a million pieces. Guys, so when I get my new phone case, you guys will be able to see it. It's coming this Sunday. Like it's right in the bottom. All you need is glue, food coloring, and unless you want your slime white, and eye contact solution, and AK activator. And eye contact solution is activator. That's how I made this slime. So this to make white slime, that would be hard to tell what it is. Like what it is, because white, okay, you just put it in and then you stir it, and then like I'd probably put like I'll probably put like a big, because if you put too much activator, it will just go like this. So like this is what happened. Do you know it was just like this much of activator, and then I stirred it around in a cup and it activated a little bit, so then we had to put like this much more in, and then that's what happened. Like at first, after I was playing with it for like a half an hour, it was stretchy where it could stretch. See? Like this. That's like as far as it will go. This is as far as it will go. It's dry now. Man, I'm gonna put in the sun real quick because it is sunny out. Last night it rained, so let's put it in the sun for. I'm gonna go put it in water real quick. That might work. Hey Jared, if you're watching this today, we might go to Push Out Lake, just me and my mom. If you want to join, you can. Just have your mom and dad just drive you there. It's satisfying slime. 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 Like, do I have glue somewhere? Maybe, like, actual glue? Guess what? I have clear glue. Like, I have clear. I have this kind of glue. If I want to make slime, I need to find my bottle of glue. I do not have a bottle of glue somewhere. not stretchy. Push it all in. Look like it's all, look. You're probably thinking your room's changed a lot. Well, not a lot, just a little bit. My bed. My white dresser. And a lot of stuff changed. I'll do a room tour next video. So see you in the next one, and I'll see you in the, I have to wipe my hand because I'm going to have to be touching my phone to do it, and I don't want my phone dirty. Okay, so see you, but the bag's not wet. See you next time. Peace out. Wait, see you next time. Peace